Sorry it's so dark again. I got out a little earlier than I thought I would. I'm at the ghost park again. I have a few areas I want to hit pretty hard. I've been studying the history of this place, and there's history. Believe it or not, there's history. There's a reason why I'm finding a few things of interest here. But I'm going to go out in about another 10-15 minutes. They should be light enough for me to see. Then I'll start detecting. Thank you. This one was going off with high beeps, like it was a bunch of dimes, but I'm sure that's not what it is. I'm gonna dig it anyways, because that's just what I do. Thing was right here. Let me grab that again here. So we'll see. So far, no good. Be nice to have some silver. Last week I found a silver dime here. Let's see what we got here. Something in my freaking hand. Something I dropped. Oh, here it is. That's where it is. It was a dime. I think I just dropped it again. There it is. It's these dimes. They sure hide from you. Not a silver though, but I'll take it. I just had to record this rare surface find, a pull tab. Isn't that amazing? A pull tab on the surface in this day and age, and how rare that is. Just gift that keeps on giving, guys. I'll be damned if I didn't find my first quarter in weeks. Sure, it's a state quarter, of course. But hey, beggars can't be choosers. Been digging nothing but trash today. This hole rang up weird, so I'm gonna see if there's any more. It says it was a dime, so I'm gonna go for it. I might find it. Might actually be a little coin spill here. It's an L. Nail spill. A quarter hiding by a nail. A weird fitting of some sort. Oh shit, don't know what it is, but it's a weird fitting. In there was my quarter. It's the weirdest damn thing. Huh. Looks like I found a little bit of a coin spill. There's one dime. There's 2 dimes. They don't look old, but they're 20 cents. Let's check it some more. That's a quarter. Heck yeah. It's funny how a hunt doesn't turn out how you think it's going to turn out. The areas you thought were going to be great were just okay. But then you're nice to a guy and his dogs, and he tells you some other place to go, and that's what happened. I found out that this park had an entirely different part I knew nothing about. Who knew? So I went on a hike to go to this place in this park he told me to. I walked the long way. I walked 20-30 minutes. It about killed me. I finally found a place to start digging. I didn't find crap. There was caps everywhere. There were these old homesteads that were there and in shambles, and beer tabs everywhere, and it was I was really exhausted by the time I got there. The day was heating up, and I was exhausted. But as I was searching through that, I found a 1903 to 1938 Winchester rifle shell, 12-gauge rifle shell, which was kind of nice. I mean, so that gave me hope. But after that, I had to head out because I was tired. Exhausted. I was there for 3.5 hours, and I didn't know my place around that area. So I got semi-lost, got back. By the time I got back up to where the park was, I was panting. It's freaking, oh God, I'm in shit shape, guys, shit shape. But got back to the car. On the way to the car, I found a couple quarters, dime, 2 pennies. But I was done. But I'm going to go back to that park again when I can. And I'm going to exclusively hunt those places where the houses were. And see what I come up with. But this is really exciting. This park can be something cool. Really cool. And I look forward to bringing it to you guys. Thank you. Bye.